Hey, gorgeous people. So, travel with me to Saratov. This is my first solo vacation. We're going to have fun together. Let's go.
I've been using this application since I came to Russia to book for my flights, my trains, and buses. It's quite convenient because all you need is internet and money in your card. This time we're gonna take a train because I like to sleep through the entire journey and I appreciate my comfort too. This is the interior structure of a normal train in Russia. We have 4 beds on one side, up, down, up, down. Then there's a small passage between the beds, and then on the other side we have just 1 bed up and 1 bed down. The lower bed can be converted into a table for 2. If you wish not to sleep, you can just sit through the entire journey. The advantage of choosing the bed placed in the cube of 4 is that you get to have a table, unlike the ones from the sidelines whereby it's either you convert it into a bed or keep it as a table. The arrows above the numbers indicate whether the bed is upper or lower. In the next step, you indicate your passport details and pay for the trip. Спасибо. Спасибо. As I was headed to the train station, all I could think about was the 6 hours sleep that was awaiting for me in that train because I had to wake up at 4, you all. My train was leaving at 5:30 and it takes some time to find a taxi quite early in the morning. There is our train station. I was left with like 10 minutes to get to the train, but I was still busy making videos. Yo, life of a content creator. I couldn't record carrying my luggage into the train because I was struggling. They offered me clean bedsheets because I paid for them. For this trip, I chose the lower bed in the cube of 4 so that I could access the table whenever I wanted to, and also the window since I was traveling during the day. You can actually choose to put your bedsheet around the bed for some privacy if you wish to. And for your own comfort, you can have pajamas inside of the clothes that you're planning to travel with, so that you can just remove your jeans, for example, and fold them and put them on the side, and you can sleep in your shorts and just a simple top. I love the idea of wearing eye masks when traveling. It's so cutesy, but the fact that they were pressing onto my lash extensions was just unbearable, so I just removed them. And Sleeping Beauty decided to rest. 5 hours later. If you're a deep sleeper, you better set an alarm because you need to be awake about 30 minutes before your stop. Well, this time I was not so tired, so I managed to wake up so easily. And you need to remove the bed sheets and hand them over for cleaning. The package also comes with a small towel which you can use to freshen up in the bathroom. I was already feeling the vacation energy. Asamba sambi. Ayeba, ayeba. Kitty, kitty, kit, boom, boom, boom. Gunkanji, gunkanji, man, gunkanji, gunkanji, man.
It's currently 1 and we have arrived at Saratov. Yay! Here is our taxi. We are officially in Saratov. I've arrived at my apartment, but I'm waiting for the time because I'm supposed to check in at 2 p.m. and I came here earlier, so I just decided to come and sit by the park and swing a little.
And oof, my phone fell. This house was gorgeous. The definition of exquisite, luxurious, spacious, beautiful, and all of that on a tight budget.
They're supposed to have cleaned my apartment before, but they didn't, because apparently I'm the one who didn't communicate the time I'm gonna arrive. So I left the cleaning lady inside and I decided to go and get some groceries, some foods, and I'm gonna cook because we on a budget friendly trip.
Roll me, baby. She knows me, I'm Mr. AJ. I told her I can be a bobo. She said she wants to be my baby. She said she's serious and she don't play. I'm like, okay. Said she want roll me, baby. She don't come for the same, She gaslight, she knows what's better. I need her for my agenda. Jimmy can't tell like that.
I'm exhausted, but we still gotta go out. This is what I got. Yo, I just wanna take a shower and freshen up. It's so hot. Damn.